ready to transform your real estate game and streamline your client interactions. Today, we're diving into Liondesk, the all-in-one CRM designed to help you manage contacts, automate communication, and close more deals. Don't worry, this is a beginner-friendly guide. First, let's log in. You'll enter your usual credentials on the login page. The heart of Liondesk is your contact management. To add a new contact, click the Add Contact button. It's usually at the top right of the screen. You'll then fill in their details like their name, email, and phone number. Accuracy here is key. Once you've added your contact information, save. Voila! Your contact is now in Liondesk. From here, you can add notes about your interactions, track tasks, and see their activity. Now, let's talk automation. Liondesk makes it easy to stay engaged with your leads using automation. Navigate to the automation section in the menu. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to select one of Liondesk's pre-designed autoresponders or customize a communication plan. You can create a system to send emails, texts, and set tasks to follow up at specific intervals. Creating a deal in Liondesk is straightforward and a great way to track your sales. In the Deal section, select Create a Deal, fill in the information, and the progress will automatically change. Congratulations! You're now one step closer to mastering Liondesk. Experiment with these functions, and you'll quickly see how it simplifies your workflow and boosts your productivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tech tips.